Okay, so if you're running any Facebook ads or if you're running any Google ads and if you're driving traffic to a particular landing page, it's very important to do investigation on the landing page. Now, this is a fantastic tool that you can use to do a lot of investigations. Probably this will also help you in CRO, stands for conversion rate optimizations, because my objective is to increase conversions, right? So you need to understand how people are actually browsing your website, so how people are actually navigating your website. So this can be done on entire website, this can be done on landing page as well. So you can see that I'm just demonstrating you this tool, which is Hotjar. And what you need to do is you can go with a basic package, which is, I guess, is free of cost. On most of these tools they offer 30-day free trial as well. It's very simple. You just connect Hotjar with your website and Hotjar is ready to get data. So let's say I'm on my Hotjar, and you can see that I'll go to recording part. So what I've done is I'll go to recording, and these are all recordings. So let's say if someone is coming on the website, you can see the actual recording, exactly what they have done. For an instance, I'll give an example. So I'll click here, which is play. Okay, 4 minutes. So if you click here, you'll get to know that recording. You'll see visited recording. This is a fantastic thing that you can do. This will get loaded in some time. Okay. And then you can see there are a lot of options you can do. You can poll, survey, heat maps, funnels. You can do a lot of things from this. And for example, so we'll see this, how this exactly works. So let's say I'm on one of my dashboard, and probably this will also come. So you can see that this will come, and you can see there are a lot of recordings. So what I do is, if I'm pumping a lot of money into Facebook ads and my objective is to drive traffic to a particular landing page, or if you're using any social media and if your objective is driving traffic, this is a fantastic tool. Now you can see that someone came on my website. You can see this is white marker, and you can see that someone has came to my website and they are going through my website.